What's up, guys? Welcome to ASAP Automotive channel. Today we're doing something a little cool, a little something different. We're actually heading down to another shop because or to get the exhaust done on the Tahoe. It is much needed, and I've been piecing this kit together for quite a while because nobody makes a true dual kit, and really wanted to give this thing a little bit of aggressive sound. And plus, I think the exhaust is partially stopped up for where I had a previous catalytic converter fail. So yay, emissions BS. But yeah, so we're gonna do it. We figured do a little fun video for you guys and show you and give another shop a little bit of love and show them a little bit of attention on YouTube or something. So. So I'm pretty sure before I'd replace the Y pipe that the cat that was failing on the driver's side decided to send a few chunks or something down the pipe somewhere into the muffler, because this thing has been a dog and choking out for quite a while. One of the reasons I'm finally doing this exhaust on it. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick little video clip of what it sounds like before, and then we'll do one of after for you guys. I think the sad part, the only thing that's saving me right now is a massive exhaust leak behind the end of the Y pipe, and which is allowing flow for me to actually drive. So I'm hoping this makes a heck of a difference in this thing, because like I said, it has been an absolute dog. But if anything, it should just at least sound a hell of a lot better. So anyways, we're about to go in and get this done and hopefully get this wrapped up today, because I'm so freaking excited. Guys, that's gonna be a wrap today on this video. Just wanted to shoot a quick little video on a big time upgrade I've been wanting to do in this Tahoe so bad. Big shout out to Troy's Muffler here in Anderson, South Carolina. These guys are amazing. They're definitely gonna be our go-to for exhaust work and stuff in the future. You guys are gonna probably see them a lot more on the channel. So thanks again, man. So much, dude. Enjoyed it. We're gonna throw the link and everything to them below in the description and all that. So if you guys are here in the upstate area, north end of Georgia, west end of South Carolina or something like that, you need exhaust work done, you need it done right. Like, the welds on here are amazing. They got everything right. Or even worked with some of the pieces we got, didn't even work right. They handled it no problem, and really, really fair on the prices. So guys, go check them out. And until then, remember, stock is not an option.